Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss perimeter and area chapter from class 7th. So students, what is perimeter and what is area? Perimeter, measurement around the outside of a shape, and the area is measurement of the space inside of a shape. Means the outside part of the shape is known as perimeter and the inside part of the shape is known as area. Okay. Our next topic is squares and rectangles. Here we will find the perimeter and area of squares and rectangles. Okay. So children, what is the square and rectangle? What's the difference between square and rectangle? In square, all the four sides are equal. This is the square. Here in this, all the four sides are equal. Yes. And but for rectangle, so this is the rectangle and this only two sides are equal. So this is the length and this one is the breadth. So length and breadth are equal. Okay. Now children, we first take a square. Take square. So we need to find the perimeter of square formula. Okay. Perimeter of square formula. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter means the measurement that is around the outside of the shape is known as perimeter. See, this one is the perimeter. This is the shape and this one, these are all outsides of this shape. Isn't it? How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are there. So perimeter of the square is 4s. Okay. Now children, see here. Next one is perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Say, this one is the rectangle, isn't it? This one is the rectangle. In these, lengths and breadths are equal. Lengths and breadths are equal. So how many lengths are there? 2 lengths. And how many breadths are there? 2 breadths. Right here. How many lengths are there? 2 lengths and 2 breadths. Isn't it? Now we need to add this length and breadth. We need to add this length and breadth. Now add this 2. 2 lengths plus 2 breadths. Okay. Now we can take 2 as common. Isn't it? We can take 2 as common. So 2 into L plus B. So perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B. Simply children, don't by heart these formulae. See, for a rectangle, 2 sides are equal. Isn't it? That means 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So here lengths and breadths are equal. How many lengths are there? 1, 2. 2 lengths. And how many breadths are there? 1 and 2. 2 breadths. So add these 2 lengths and 2 breadths. Okay. Now we can take 2 as common. Isn't it? We can take 2 as common. So 2 into L plus B. So perimeter of a rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B, whereas perimeter of square formula is 4s. Okay. Now next one is area. Next one is area. Since children, area of a square, we already know that for square 4 sides are equal. Yes. For rectangle, only 2 sides are equal. Okay. Say this is the side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4. In this area, we need to calculate 2 sides. Suppose think that this one is the one side and this one is 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 sides. We will calculate any 2 sides. Any 2 sides. Either these or these, this one or this one. We will calculate only 2 sides. That means area of square is S into S. Side into side. That is side square S square. Area of square is S square. Next one is area of rectangle. See. Now see here. This is the rectangle. Isn't it? This one is the rectangle. See, this is the rectangle and this one is the length and this one is the breadth. What we done in square? What we done in area of square? See. This is the square. What we did? We multiplied 2 sides. Yes. I multiplied these 2 sides. We multiplied these 2 sides. S into S. Okay. That means side into side is side square. Area of a square is S square. Then what is the area of rectangle? See. This one is the length and this is breadth. So we need to multiply these 2 sides. We need to multiply these 2 sides. Then what's the formula for area of rectangle? L into B. That is LB. That's nothing but length into breadth. Here see, For square, we multiply two sides. That side into side is side square. Okay, simply we multiplied. For rectangle also we multiplied two sides, this side and this side. For rectangle we will say this side as length and this one as breadth. So we multiplied these two sides. Then what this one is the length and this one is the breadth. So we multiplied these two sides. Then what is the formula of area of rectangle is L into B. That is length into breadth, LB. Up to here clear? So see here. The perimeter of square is 4S. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Area of square is S side square, S square, and area of rectangle is L into B, LB. Length into breadth. Okay, now let's start a small problems on this formula. Okay, the simple question. Given that square of a side is 4 centimeters, find area of square and perimeter of square. See, given that side of a square is 4 centimeters. Okay, here in the square all sides are equal. Okay, 4 centimeters. So we need to find area of a square. What's the formula for area of a square? Area means inside region. Okay, so what's the formula for area of a square? We will multiply two sides. Yes, area of a square, that is equal to side into side, that is side square, means S square. Okay, what's the given side is 4 centimeters. So side into side, 4 into 4 is 16 square centimeters. Next one is, so area of square is 16 square centimeters. Next one is perimeter of a square. Perimeter of square. So what's the perimeter? Perimeter means the outside part of the shape is known as perimeter. So next one is perimeter of a square. So what is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of square formula is 4 into S. Okay, because perimeter means the outside part of the shape is known as perimeter. Okay, the given side is 4. So what's the given side? 4 into given side is 4. That is 16 centimeters. So what's the area of the square is 16 square centimeters and perimeter of the square is 16 centimeters. See, for area we will write square centimeters. Square centimeters or square meters we will mention in squares. For perimeter simply we will mention centimeters and meters. So up to here clear? So this is the problems that is based on area and perimeter of a square. The next problem is that is based on perimeter and area of a rectangle. Children, this one is the next question. Given that length is 4 centimeters, breadth is 6 centimeters, find area of rectangle and perimeter of a rectangle. Say this is the rectangle. Okay, given that length is 4 centimeters and breadth is 6 centimeters, we need to find area of this rectangle. So what's the area of this rectangle? Area of rectangle is L into B. See, for square, we will multiply area of square. We will multiply these two sides. Yes, this one is one side and this is the second side. We will multiply two sides. So area of square is S square. Simply for rectangle also we will multiply. For area of rectangle, we will multiply two sides. Here this side is known as length and this side is known as breadth. So we will multiply these two sides. So area of rectangle is L into B, that is length into breadth. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. What's the given question? Length is 4 centimeters and breadth is 6 centimeters. So multiply these two. 4 into 6, that is 24 square centimeters. So area of rectangle is 24 square centimeters. And the next one is perimeter of a rectangle. So what's the perimeter of rectangle formula? Don't by heart these formulas, just remember with the help of figure. Okay, see here, what's the rectangle? Sorry, perimeter of rectangle. In rectangle, two sides are equal, isn't it? These two sides are equal, means length and breadth are equal. So how many lengths are there? 1 and 2. 2 lengths and 2 breadths. Yes, just add these two and take 2 as common, that is 2 into L plus B. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Okay, 2 into L plus B. Given that length is 4 centimeters and breadth is 6 centimeters. So 4 plus 6 is 10 and 10 into 2 is 20 centimeters. So perimeter of rectangle is 20 centimeters and area of rectangle is 24 square centimeters. Okay, up to here clear? So this is the method to solve area of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle, area of squares and perimeter of the squares. Okay, so the first thing is you need to remember a formula, area and perimeter formula. So don't by heart these formulas, just remember with the help of this diagram. Now okay, now let's start our next problem. Children, this is the given question. A door frame dimensions 3 meters into 2 meters is fixed on the wall of dimensions 10 meters into 10 meters. Find the total labor charges for painting the wall. If the labor charges for painting 1 square centimeters of the wall is 2 rupees 50 paisa. See, with the question we can find whether the question is based on square or a rectangle. We can say easily, because for square all the 4 sides are equal. Yes, for rectangle only 2 sides are equal. Yes, if the question is given if for square, if the one side is 1 centimeters, then the remaining sides are also 1 centimeters. But for rectangle, if the given length is equal to 2 centimeters, then the opposite length is also 2 centimeters. For breadth is 3, means opposite is also 3. So we can find with the dimensions that is based on square or rectangle. Now see here, the given question that is based on rectangle and square. What's the given question? A door frame dimensions 3 meters into 2 meters. That is, this one is the length and this one is the breadth. That is, a door is in the shape of rectangle. Given length is 3 meters and breadth is 2 meters. And here, this door is fixed to the wall. This door is fixed to the wall, and here this wall is in the shape of square. Given dimensions are 10 meters into 10 meters. So what is the given question? What we have to find? We have to find the total labor charges for painting the wall. See, this is the wall and this one is the door. So we need to find the total labor charges for painting this wall. That means we need to find this part. Okay, we need to find the labor charges, total labor charges for painting the wall. Okay, that means we have to find the area of this door. We need to find area of this door. Okay, let's start. First step is area of door. Area of door. So this door is in rectangle shape, isn't it? This door is in rectangle shape. So what's the area of rectangle formula? Simply L into B. length into breadth. So what is the given length here? 3. And what is the breadth? 2. That is 3 into 2 is 6. The area of door is 6 centimeters. Sorry, 6 square centimeters. Okay, 6 square centimeters. Now we need to find, next step is we need to find the area of this wall. We need to find the area of this wall including door. Okay, we need to find the area of this wall including this door. Now see here, area of wall. As I said that this wall is in the shape of square. Wall is in the shape of square. So what's the area of square formula? Area of square formula is side into side, that is side square. So what's the given side? 10 meters into 10 meters, that is 100 square meters. So area of the wall is 100 square centimeters with including this door. Okay, with including this door. Now the given question is we need to find the total labor charges of this region. We need to find the total labor charges of painting the wall. That means we need to find only this region. See here. Means we need to find this shaded region part. The shaded region. What we will find? Total labor charges of for painting this shaded region. Okay. See children, as I said that what is area? Area means the measurement that is inside the shape is known as area. The measurement that is inside the shape is known as area. Means inside part is known as area, outside part is known as perimeter. So we need to find the painting charges for inside the area. Means see here, what we will find? We will find the area or perimeter of this wall. Simply, that is no doubt, we will find area of this region, isn't it? So we need to remove this door from this area. Clear? We need to remove this door from this area. That means we need to find only the shaded region part. Okay. Now see here, this is including door. This area of wall is including door. Now we will, next step is we will remove this door from this part. Okay, see here carefully. Now area of wall excluding door. Area of wall excluding door. That means we are removing this door from this part. Okay. See children, what's the formula for this means? What's the area of the, see, area of wall including door minus area of door. See ma, area of wall excluding door means we need to remove this part, isn't it? That means area of wall excluding door is equal to area of wall including door minus area of this door. See from the above steps, what's the area of the wall including the door? That is 100 square meters minus what's the area of the door? 6 square meters. So what's the solution here? What's the calculation answer? 94 square centimeters. The answer is 94 square centimeters. The next step is, final step is, we need to find the total labor charges for painting the wall. So if the wall charges for painting 1 square centimeters is 2 rupees 50 paisa. See here, for 1 meter square is 2 rupees 50 paisa. Then what about 94 square centimeters? We need to multiply 2 rupees 50 paisa into 94 square centimeters. So what's the answer? Rupees 235. If we multiply these two, we will get the answer 235 rupees. Okay, the answer is rupees 235. Up to here clear students? Now see, I will say once again, the given question is a door that is having dimensions 3 meters into 2 meters is fixed on the wall, and that wall is having the dimensions 10 meters into 10 meters. So simply from this question we can understand that door is in the shape of rectangle and the wall is in the shape of square. So here first step is we will find the area of this door. Okay, next one we will find the area of this wall including this door. Okay, we will find the area of wall including door. So area of the door is 6 square centimeters and area of the wall is 100 square centimeters, that is including door. The next step is, actually what's the given question is, we need to find the area of this, only this region, that is this red color shaded region. We need to find the area of this red color shaded region. That means we need to remove this door. We need to remove this door from this wall. So the next step is area of wall excluding door, means we are removing this wall, that is equal to area of including door minus area of door, means we are subtracting the area of 100 minus 6 centimeters, 6 square centimeters, that is we are subtracting area of wall, that is including door, and area of door. We are removing this, we are subtracting. If we subtract this, then we will get the area of the wall excluding, means that we will get the result for this shaded region. Okay, so what's the area of wall including door is 100 square centimeters, and what's the area of door? 6 centimeters. So 100 square centimeters minus 6 square centimeters is equal to 94 square meters. So what's the final step is, for painting the wall, if the labor charges for painting 1 square centimeter of the wall is 2 rupees 50 paisa, then what is for 94 square centimeters? For 1 square centimeter is 2 rupees 50 paisa, then what is for 94 square centimeters? Means we need to multiply. See, if it is confusing for you, just write like this here. 1 square centimeter is 2 rupees 50 paisa, then 94 square centimeter is x, we need to find. So simply cross multiply these two. Okay, so that means 94 square centimeters into 2 rupees 50 paisa. So what's the answer is rupees 235. So it charges 235 rupees for painting this shaded part region. Up to here clear? So children, don't get confused with this, just understand these problems with this simple figures. So keep practicing on this class. So next class we will do remaining problems. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.